Hello, I'm DJ Cross. I'm the sales manager for Syntec's Marine Division. Thank you for joining us today. I'm here with Keith Deal, and Keith is the designer for our Sensations line of product, and our Sensations is our PVC flooring. And Keith, PVC flooring has been in the marine market for a number of years now, but we entered it 4 years ago, and we do something or have a different capability. Could you briefly explain that to our customers?
Sure. Our jacquard looms are state of the art. It's kind of standard from what we've been seeing with the dobby looms. And on a dobby loom, you're subject to a repeat width. And within that, repeat width, there's only so much that you can do. With our jacquard looms, we have a endless repeat, basically. So if we need to design something that just flows across the entire floor of a pontoon, we can. We also have a lot more design points because of our densities and our setup. What that does, DJ, the best way to describe that is you got a standard definition TV and then you've got a high def. So we're just able to
That's good.
paint a lot clearer picture than what our competitors do, and the sky is really the limit.
I like that, Keith, because the high definition TV, I think most of our audience today can relate to that and how TV has changed so much just in the last few years. And what I believe you're saying is that our capabilities have changed tremendously.
Absolutely.
So and I don't want to put words in your mouth, but pretty much any designer out there, we can create something for them that's pretty unique.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And we encourage the customers to, come down, visit the facility, let us work with them.
Absolutely.
Design something that's unique for them and their boats.
And I know the times that we've done that, the customers have just been in awe of the jacquard looms, as you mentioned, and as well as our capabilities, and have come away with some neat design opportunities.
Yes.
One of the things that, we talked about creating their own custom product. The problem with that is a lot of customers don't want to do that just to the volume that they're associated with. But I do know last year we designed 18 different patterns that we put into our portfolio, our Sensations portfolio, and each one of those had 5 different colors. Now, you've already mentioned we've learned a lot, so I know what we've done is we've revised, and we've taken 5 of those out, and we've added 5 new patterns, 5 colors each in. Can you just real briefly name the 5 for us?
Sure. We have crosshatch, equinox, kaleidoscope, windstone, and wind shear. All are unique, and we just try to make an array of design from simple to the jacquard design.
And I know when as this video goes on, the audience will be able to see more of those close up. They're behind us obviously as well, so you can see those, but at the end you'll be able to see a more close up version of those. And what we're doing is we will redesign our portfolios and be able to put those, the 5 that we've taken out, replace them with the 5 new ones.
Right.
So again, there will be 18 offerings. But again, the important thing to know to our customers is we can do pretty much anything in any color. That's the beauty of the jacquard loom.
Absolutely. We take pride in what we do, and I just feel like our product is superior from performance to design all the way around.
That brings me to a great point. I just want to talk a little bit about the performance side.
Sure.
I know the UV stability, we've done all the testing for that, all the mold and mildew resistance. I mean, all the tests that are out there per se in the marine industry, we have done, and everything is passed.
Yeah, passed with no issues at all, and then the UV has just been unbelievable because we are way past what
3,000 hours. 3,000 hours, I believe, is what most people attain to be at, and we've gone above and beyond that.
Absolutely.
Yes. Keith, tell me a little bit about when you choose colors. I mean, and I know this is a difficult question because every customer is a little different, but you can take colors and weave them, and just tell me a little bit about that.
It's a process that I'm still working with, to be honest with you, DJ, because weave structures, depending on the weave structure you use, these machines have the capability to hide color, which a dobby loom doesn't. So, we're able to move color around and move it, hide it within the fabric. And so what I generally do is work with, on the design system that I have, we have a high resolution renderings that we can do. and I play around with color, kind of see what the shading is going to be, and go from there. I try to work with all the vinyls that I can to make sure that we're getting good matches and everything's kind of coordinating. So that's still a process.
What you would do then, if we have a customer, they would work obviously with the Syntec person for that sales territory, and work with you, and they could design something unique just for that customer.
Absolutely.
That would be wonderful. Well, Keith, thank you very much. Appreciate your time today.
Thank you, DJ.